Hello students, the question says the editor of a magazine wishes to obtain the views of a random sample of readers about the future of the magazine. So part 1 of the question says a sub-editor proposes that they include in one issue of the magazine a questionnaire for the readers to complete and return. We have to give two reasons why the readers who return the questionnaire would not form a random sample. Now see students, like if someone is reading the sample and returning it back, now there can be many reasons for that. One of the reasons is only the more committed readers, those who are only the more committed readers will submit the questionnaire back. So that can be one of the reasons that the readers are committed, and this is not a random sample because these are those people who are reading those magazines regularly. So they are related, they can relate themselves and answer nicely the questions asked in the questionnaire, right? So, and they are able to predict about the future of the magazine. Now, the other reason can be that only the readers of that particular issue. So that means the issue that was published in the magazine as a questionnaire, so only the readers who have read that issue will be answering the questionnaire, right? So this is the two reasons which we can propose for part 1, that the random the sample is not random. It is very much like the target readers that have answered this, right? So now the other part of the question says the editor decides to use a table of random numbers to select a sample of 50 readers from the 7302 regular readers. These regular readers are numbered from 1 to 7302. The first few random numbers which the editor obtains from the table are as follows. Use these random numbers to select the first three members in a sample. Now, this can have multiple answers. The only thing that we should know that the number should be less than 7302. It cannot be greater than 7302. So the first set, which is acceptable, can be 4975. That means we are omitting the 7 and we have 4975. It can be 3952. So the number can be a random number 3952. So that means this is another number which is less than 7302. It can be 0386. So these are all the numbers which are less than 7302. Now, the other sets that can be accepted can be 4975 again, can be 0239, can be 5203, where 8 is omitted. So these can be the answers which are valid answers because the number of a 4-digit number should be less than 7302. It cannot exceed 7302. That means if I'm writing the number as 8023 by omitting 9, that won't be acceptable. So these can be some of the sample answers for the part 2. Thank you, students.